Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to just have a short video, and what we're talking about is the stock market in relation to astrology. So what we're looking for here is, as you can see, this is a chart of the spiders, and if you know about Elliott wave, you'll know that this is a one wave, and then you have A, B, C, two wave, and then you're going to build a three wave. So what you're going to actually do when you get that crash is you're going to get the three wave pullback, 62% of the one wave of the three wave. Anyway, that being said, that's what you're looking for. This here, as you can see, is the 2007-2008 collapse, and here is the 2000 collapse. And so what we've done here is I've looked at these astrology charts, and we have three charts here, one on beside each other. So the number one chart in the middle, number one, is the New York Stock Exchange. Number two is right next to it, and number three is right next to it. Number two is the market crash of 2007. And so what we looked for is what happened in 2007, the last market crash, that we could find on a chart. And in this case, this was a relationship of Uranus to Uranus. So what I did is go out into the future and look to see what Uranus aspect we could find. Now everybody is expecting this to be a really big deal. Uranus and Taurus, we're expecting this to cause us to have a currency crisis, which will possibly go to electronic currency. And I would like you to know that Uranus rules Aquarius. Aquarius is on the 8th house. The 8th house is the 8th house of debt, or the bond market. And so the stock market is just the tail, and the bond market is the dog. That's how big the bond market is in relation to the stock market. So when you have a bond market crash, you definitely have a stock market crash. Also, just to point out here that Uranus in the chart of the stock exchange is right on the second house, and the second house is the financial house. So it rules money, finances, possessions. And so that's what we're relating to here. We're relating the bond market to finances in general, and then the aspects that come along. And like I say, in the astrological industry, everybody, and I mean everybody, is looking at this aspect. Taurus, which is the normal second house ruler, ruling money and possessions, everyone is looking for this to have result in a currency crisis. And when you look back over time, you also find that there have been times when Uranus aspects caused gold to go up. So there's a good possibility that the precious metals are going to go up as the stock market crashes. So if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe and notification button, and you can also check out my other videos. Make sure you tell all your friends and comment below. Thank you for listening.